How's everybody doing on this beautiful day? A little overcast today, but we'll take it. A high of 25, about 80, 81, 82 Fahrenheit. We're going to take out these trees here. We got 16 trees. We're not going to be doing 16 trees today, but they're all sick. They're all dying. We got a bunch of them along the back here too. This big parking lot. So we're going to work on that. It was supposed to rain overnight, all night, and it never did. That's why we said, oh, we'll just go do this in the morning because it was going to rain, and end up never rained. So we have other work we could be doing without having to do this. Keep this for rainy days. All right. So you guys enjoy there. We're going to bring you guys along with us as we start cutting down these trees. You see these trees are in slopes. It's not going to be easy due to stumps, but we'll get them done. We did some last year. I think we did 12 trees here last year. All right, come along. I'm going to show you guys something here. See the steel rod right here? They've all got this, so we have to cut that up before we stump grind them. You coupes it? Alright, the dump truck was full, so we're gonna chip into this dump trailer here. Take 16 footer. Yeah, at least 16 feet, yeah. So we'll dump right into that. So we put a tarp, we opened it up, we put a little tarp on the end so it doesn't go through the screen. It's not really made to be chipped in, but it'll work. We'll make it work. We're gonna cut another one down. boys are on the stumps with those old manual machines. Alright, we got another load in the pickup of wood. Brian's over there cleaning up at the other end. I don't know if you guys remember last year. We took, I think 3 or 4 out at the beginning. We just took 4 out today. We'll go see what's going on over here. Must be something sticking out. We'll see what he has to say here. I'll put on fast forward right here. We got a root there, no. No. But we could we'll fill that in when we come back next.
I got some dirt I can throw on it.
Yeah, well, I'd rather just put some chip. We should clean this up though a bit. There's a lot of branches. Yeah, take the branch out, just throw them in the woods. And we can just throw some, I don't want to really put dirt. We can just put some wood chip there.